The continuous emergence of depend projects demonstrates the growing trend of leveraging computational power from personal devices. In today's video, Crypto Airdrop will explore one of the most prominent projects in this field, Pipe Network. What is Pipe Network? Pipe Network is a depend protocol that develops a decentralized content delivery network, CDN, on Solana's high-performance blockchain. Pipe's secure, flexible, and hyperlocal solution enables contributors to freely deploy points of presence, POPs, in targeted areas. By eliminating dependence on expensive, centralized infrastructure, Pipe Network offers rapid scalability and an exceptional content delivery experience. The network provides essential infrastructure for developers, operators, and content providers to thrive in the digital age. The project has successfully raised $10 million, led by Solana Ventures, Multicoin Capital, Robot Venture, and Fuse Capital. You can learn more about the project on Pipe Network's official website. Now, let's move on to how to participate in the project's airdrop. Guide to joining the Pipe Network airdrop. Step 1. Access the link provided in the description of this video to join the project's airdrop. Under the Sign Up section, fill in your personal details and register an account. Step 2. Follow the project's X, formerly Twitter, account to earn additional reward points. You will receive 420 points. Step 3. Click Generate Referral to get a referral link and invite friends to accumulate more points. Step 4. Download the Pipe Guardian Node extension for your browser. Step 5. Open the extension. Log in with the account you just registered, and regularly access the application to increase your chances of earning points. We have just introduced the Pipe Network project and how to join its testnet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and share it. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our upcoming projects.